Hello everyone, I am Dr. Lavi Sindhu, Senior IVF Consultant at Medicover Fertility. Today I am going to discuss about male infertility. It is very common problem nowadays due to increasing stress, lifestyle and environmental factors. It accounts for nearly 40 to 50% of overall infertility cases. Common reasons for male infertility are infections. Any infection to the genital area like tuberculosis, mumps, or any viral orchitis can lead to the decreased sperm production or obstruction to the passage of sperms. Any surgery to the genital area, any trauma to the genital area, chronic illnesses like diabetes mellitus, genetic problems or chromosomal abnormalities, increase intake of alcohol, smoking and anabolic steroids to gymming can lead to the reduced sperm production. Any kind of hormonal imbalance can also lead to the decreased sperm production or absent sperm production, and any kind of chronic illness or surgery or chemotherapy can cause the abnormality in the sperm production. So how do we detect the male fertility issues? We detect it through a simple test of semen analysis, which is to be done in a trained andrology lab, and WHO criteria should be followed. What do we do in semen analysis? We look for the sperm counts, sperm morphology and motility. Apart from that, we look for the pH, volume of the semen and other biochemical tests. Apart from semen analysis, hormonal investigations can be advised and imaging modalities like ultrasound can be used for certain patients. Depending on the cause and the degree of severity, various treatment options are available. Like medical therapy can be advised in the form of antibiotics, antioxidants and hormonal injections or tablets. Apart from medical management, surgical procedures can be done like surgery to relieve the obstruction, or surgical sperm retrieval techniques can be done in which the sperm can be retrieved through TISA, micro TISA, and later on these sperms can be utilized through ICSI. Artificial insemination methods can be used for mild to moderate degree of male infertility. We at Medicover Fertility provide a comprehensive range of all kind of male infertility treatment options available. We have an expert team of urologists, fertility specialists, counselors, andrologists, and embryologists. In case you have any queries, you can consult our fertility expert at Medicover Fertility.